Hi, welcome to your Wellness Wednesday tip. This week we are talking about some essential oils which are great for your muscle and your joint support. Maybe you're an athlete, or maybe your job is really physically demanding, or maybe you just did a little too much yard work or housework over the weekend. These are some great essential oils which came in your premium starter kit that are awesome for muscle support. The first one we're going to talk about is Panaway. This is a great blend of wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. Some people say that it smells a little bit like root beer. It smells really great. This is one you're going to use topically. It's great if you just put a drop or two in your hand, maybe add a little bit of carrier oil to it, and then just rub on the location where you need to feel relief. The next one that we're talking about is Valor. Valor is often referred to being used as an emotional balance oil, which it is, but it also works really great for discomfort too, especially on the back of your neck, your shoulders, down your spine. It's really, really soothing. It feels really great when you apply it on discomfort areas. So it's, in case you're not sure, Valor is a blend of blue tansy, frankincense, has black spruce in it. It also has geranium and camphor in it. This is one of my most favorite oils, and I tend to like to use it when I'm feeling discomfort because I feel like it just gives me that great soothing feeling on top of it, of the oils I've already applied for discomfort. So Panaway, then I'll usually do some Valor on top of it. Peppermint is also in your kit. You get the Vitality. This is the larger 15 ml. I'm talking about topical, so I'm showing you a colored label so that you know that you can use this. We're talking about topical applications today. So with peppermint, it likes to drive the essential oils deeper into the skin to add more relief for you. So maybe layering it on top of these other two helps really good. What we're going to do today, which is actually why I wanted to do this video for you, is we're going to make a cream. So this is called your Joyful Joints or Joyful Muscles cream. So you're basically just going to take your coconut oil. You're going to take and scoop out about a half a cup. And it's your choice if you want to use the refined or unrefined. Just always buy it from, if you can, from the cooking section. You save a lot more money that way than if you buy it from the health and beauty section in the store. It's a little insider tip. So you just fill up your measuring cup. This is about a half a cup. Just measure it off. And then I'm just going to transfer it into this bowl so that you can see. Super easy. So now we're going to add a few drops of essential oil. So we're going to do 10 to 12 drops of each of these. This is Panaway. I'm going to put Valor in mine. And peppermint. And if you're not sure, I'm just going to give you a little quick tip too. When you look in the orifice reducer of the essential oils, the big hole in the middle is where the air lets the oil come out. You want to look and find the little teeny tiny hole on the edge of that and rotate the bottle to the side until the drop comes out, and that's where the oil comes out. You can also add copaiba for those of you that have had your essential oils kit for a while. I prefer to do that for mine. It's a great one to have on hand for those of you who are new to getting your kit. Copaiba is a phenomenal oil. Look up the benefits, or actually I can send you some too, so that you can become familiar with it. It's something that you should have in your oily arsenal. It's great for reducing swelling. It is an anti-inflammatory. It really is. It's great for rubbing on teething babies' gums. It's just a really universal oil. I highly, highly recommend it. Like I said, it used to come in the premium starter kit. It's since been replaced, but I would add this to your order because it's really, really helpful. So that's your basic Joyful Joints cream. You can also add a couple of other options depending on what you're trying to accomplish. You can add lemongrass, you can add lavender, you can add frankincense, which these two are in your kit as well. So you have a lot of the oils in your kit already to make this. But lemongrass is actually another one that you should get if you're experiencing discomfort, because that's really good for support on that too. I'm just going to take up my fork and I'm just going to whip this up. And you're basically just going to whip it up until it's creamy and smooth. It works great in a blender, but you know, for ease you can use a fork as well. It's warm here today, so it's going to start kind of melting a little bit, but just stick it in the refrigerator and just whip it up, mix it around. I find that it's great if you can let this sit maybe overnight or a few hours. It allows the essential oils to kind of all come together and blend together beautifully. You can see it's super easy to make, right? You just mix it around, whip it up, and it definitely makes a cream. This is really great to keep in the fridge just because it feels soothing, right? So then you can take your little handy little jelly jar, little 4-ounce mason jar, and transfer it into that. Or if you had a lid that went with this and it's just for yourself, you could put the lid on. But it works great for these 4-ounce jars. It fills them right up. And it has a nice blue hue to it from the Valor. Nice and light and whippy. And that is how you make a Joyful Muscle Joint Cream. The other thing that you can do, that's another super easy thing, is you can make yourself a roller bottle with these blends in it as well. And then you can roll on topically for discomfort relief. The benefits to having one or the other, it's really personal preference. Obviously this you can take on the go with you. You can transfer this into a smaller container to keep this with you too. It just kind of depends on what feels better, what feels great. Some people like to rub this on at night before they go to sleep, and so it's just a little bit thicker consistency, so it absorbs into your skin. It just feels a little bit more soothing. So those are some great tips on how to use your essential oils to make some muscle and joint discomfort support. So if you have any questions on this, oh, one more thing I want to talk to you about too. Young Living also makes a product, because in the beginning when I started using my essential oils, I made this all the time for discomfort support. It was something I used, I don't know, daily for a really long time. Then they came out with the Cool Azul Pain Cream. This is a phenomenal product. You have these, so use them, but I also recommend you trying this as well. And if you would like to try it, I do have some samples. So if you're interested in trying either the pain cream that I just made here, the Joyful Joints and Muscles that I made here in a DIY, or if you'd like to try a sample of this, just let me know and I can get that out to you. Can't also leave without telling you about the Nature's Ultra CBD Muscle Rub. This product is phenomenal. I highly recommend you go look on Nature's Ultra website and look at the salve, the muscle rub that's inside of here. To me, this is a game changer. Our CBD is phenomenal. It has no THC in it. It is an amazing product. So these are kind of your helpful support for discomfort. Again, if you'd like to try anything, if you'd like some more information on what can help you personally, feel free to reach out and message me, and I'd love to help you. Have a wonderful day.